Okay. Copy this. All right, how about there? Can you see that one? Share screen, entire screen, that screen, share. Well, that's irritating. All right. Can you see the YouTube stream? Edit, customization. Alrighty, well, webcam's going to live in the way, which sucks. No? Oh, so you can see it, but it's not, well, you can only see the top half of the screen because the webcam is in the way. Is that better? Can you see the stream on YouTube? Or is that still not good? See if I stop the Discord stream. YouTube should be the same thing. Still no good? Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. Then we might be able to catch up on Friday. It's all good. It happens. Newborns are it's gonna be life for a little bit. It's all right. So I'll keep yammering. I'll point out a couple of points that I look for on the thing, and then I'll link you the YouTube stream. And then it should be a little bit clearer when you go to watch it later. All righty. We'll catch you later. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We'll talk to you later. Okay. All righty. We got the webcam in the way, but that's all right. So, scalping. We're trying to catch these little in-between areas of the larger swings. So if we were to scalp long, had we been paying attention, we would try and enter about here, exit there, take our profit and go. And then wait for that candle to dip. And then if we see more positive confirmation, we can try and get in here, get out there, get in again, get out again. Again, this is on the hour candle. So I'm usually trading on the minute candle. So I will look at the hour candle, wait for it to let me know the trend that what's going on. So it was climbing. Looks like we reached a local high, local peak. It looks like it's starting to come back down. So we have a red candle there. So looks like we should be focusing on short. So we're trying to catch the peaks and ride them down to the valleys, get out, and then see if there's time for another good entry. So I switched to the minute candles. We got 2 high candles and then a very strong bearish candle there. We're also looking at our MACD. We're going from dark green to light green, indicating that this is tracking the moving average over 2 different time periods. So the blue one is more dynamic. The orange one is less dynamic. So it's kind of the baseline. So when it goes from dark green to light green, that means they are getting closer together. And then I'm trying out this new metric, the new, oh, what are they calling it? Indicator, the stochastic. Oops. Favorite that. Looking at the stochastic. So what we're looking at is when the stochastic is high, up above 80, then we're getting ready to jump into the trade. And then as soon as it crosses that 80 line, if we're seeing confirmed downward pressure on the market, then we will jump in. We would buy some SOL. Missed the boat on this one. Well, we're going to do it anyway. We're going to buy some SOL. Transaction confirmed. Wait for that to, let's refresh the page. Oops. 48 minutes ago. No. Refresh. Show me my most recent transaction. Okay. On mobile, it's a lot easier to see the most recent ones. There we go. Me, just my transactions. Okay, show me balance. Besides this, actually, I want my most recent Solana transaction. Okay, I want this 1.1633. Copy that. Don't need this. We are swaps. Switch. Paste that in there. Okay. And then as soon as we have up over $100 in money to be made, we swap back. Usually, since I don't have time to sit and stare at it and wait for it to make my profit, I'll jump over here to the limits. Five. 84. $86. There we go. 0.5. All right, so that was long. I bought SOL, sold USDC, and bought SOL. So, looking to make a little bit of money on that. So we wait for the market to come back up. If you can sit and watch it, great. You wait until it just starts to turn back down. So I'd be looking, so if we caught it down here, I'd be looking to sell right after, right when it starts to look red. So I will chicken out and take my profits early, but I took profits, which is what we're here to do. So as you can see, market's climbing. We are making 20 cents, down to 18, up to 21, down to 19. So we watch it, and then as soon as the market starts to turn around, you swap back, is what I've been doing. Otherwise, if you don't have time to sit and watch, go to your limits. Say I want to sell this SOL at $86.82. And then you just set it and forget it. You walk away and you wait for the notification to come in, letting you know that you made some money. But since I have time, I'm going to sit and watch and wait. It's not all that exciting. Most of the time, it'll be set my limit and walk away and forget it. And doing it this way, we're not using any leverage. We are actually swapping SOL for USDC properly. So if we do miss a call, if we do miss a trade, we're not out anything. We just turned our SOL into USDC. Probably not at the best time, but we still have something that we can use. We still have money. We haven't lost anything per se, I guess, aside from some potential profits. This is what I've been doing to scalp trade. The whole idea is not here to make a lot, here to make a little and just end the day with more than what I started with. Come on. Let's go. Pump it up. So again, we can keep watching our chart. We got green candles, prices rising. We got our moving average, convergence, divergence. It's rising. So made the right play, buying some SOL, looking to sell it in a little bit. So all we do now is wait for it to turn the corner, turn around. Then we sell that little bit of SOL that we bought earlier. Looks like it's turning around now. Looking at our stochastic. So we bought our SOL down here. Move that out of the way. We can see that we're up above 80, which is good. So we're in a safe selling zone. Oftentimes I'll skip out on a little bit of profit and wait for it to turn back down. But again, as long as I'm ending the trade with more than what I started with, successful trade. And this is also why I just primarily do it in my spare time. So instead of scrolling your social medias, I'll look at the charts. I'll see what they tell me. See if it looks good to get in. Try and get in and get out. This is running up nicely. And then I wouldn't start doing leverage until you're hitting these straight spot swaps consistently. If you're not hitting them consistently, stay away from the leverage. That's a great way to lose a whole bunch of money real quick and in a hurry. All right, our stochastic is coming down. We're losing a lot of the buy pressure. We should see an evening star or hammer. Hammer candlestick pattern is going to be a very small body with a long wick coming out the top. That means during that candle time period, we had a lot of buyers buy and send the price up. And then a lot of sellers came and pushed that price right back down. All right, so we got a little bit of a red candle. Our stochastic is coming down. Our moving average, convergence, divergence is looking pretty flat. So I think I'm going to call it at a 50-cent win. And then if you're feeling ambitious, you roll right straight into a short. But again, you want to wait for your confirmation. So you're looking for the stochastic to fall below 80. So you skip out on that little bit of profit up there. But it's better to skip out on a little bit of profit than make a bad trade. So we swap that. We flip sell USDC, buy SOL at the bottom. So we didn't get our telltale hammer, but we did get a small green body candle up top and a large red body. That's when we swapped and then swapped again and then flipped our chart or flipped our buy and sell. Yeah, we can just keep doing that. So we made money from here to here. Then we're going to make money from here to there. So over the same small little price difference, we're making money. Not making a lot. With this, it's the whole goal is to not get greedy. Just take your profits and go. That's my strongest recommendation is when you're in the green, and if you don't like how it looks, pull the trigger, chicken out, take your profit and go. That's it. That's what I do. So yeah, again, this is not financial advice. Remember to do your own research. I strongly recommend trying out your strategies with paper trading before you start trading real money. Stay safe, be smart, stay liquid, my friends. Talk to you later.